Hey guys, welcome to the Traders. Nomadar here. Nice to see you again. Um, we're the Traders, me and Or. You can watch our videos. I upload about 3 to 5 videos in a week, all about the capital markets, some about finance that has some connection to the capital market because we believe that financial freedom is something that anyone should have, and you don't need to, there are all these things, there's things that you don't learn at school. You don't learn how to trade in school, don't learn about financial meanings and some word that you don't know. So we are here to explain it better than everyone. So if you like our channel, please subscribe here. I'm Noah Mother. I have experience of 7 years as an investor in the Israeli market and in the U.S. market. Also, an investment banker. Or is my partner. He 10 years trader in the U.S. stock market. Together, we give you the best channel in YouTube. Hope it will be the best in the world. So, of course, if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. We'd like to get a comment, something that we can answer and help. If you have anything, we'll be very happy to help and answer. And please push the like button also. So, what we're going to talk about today. Today, I want to talk with you about 3 cannabis stocks that I want to put under the scope for the next year, maybe 2 years. It depends how the industry is going to develop. So, what are the cannabis stocks? First, I'm gonna say that most of them are Canadian stocks that are trading in the U.S. stock market. The reason is that Canada has an agreement to grow and start to export and import, and it's all they got to agreement. I think year and a half ago that it's gonna be legal, and actually change all the industry in the world. It give the notice that it's gonna be legal in all over the world. So you can see companies in every country. I heard that in Germany there are a lot of companies that start to grow and sell and start to get some agreements with companies from other countries, etc., etc. So, which companies we are going to talk first? First, the reason I want to talk about it, because if we see, let's start with Tilray, right? Tilray stock. You can see, you can see the rise in the stock. Okay, a stock that not until half a year ago, not a lot of investor knew. By the way, now all the investors know about Tilray, not because they buy it and sell it or investing in it, just because of this famous move that the stocks did in one day. See that? It started all the revolution in the cannabis stocks. So what I have to say about Tilray? Tilray, it's Canadian stock that you can see that started to be interesting only in $7. That's the start. The stock is very volatile. You can see that in 1 month it came from $17, all right, market cap, to I don't know which kind of market cap it got there. So from $17 million sell to I don't know how much it is. I think 50. I'm not sure regarding it. And then it came down again. Sorry, not the market cap. Oh, I'm looking at it outside. In the opposite, you can see it came until almost $300, and it came back down to 47. Today it's in 47. By the way, lots of investors thought that when it go down from 50, see here, it's gonna come up again, but you can see it didn't happen. The stock is very volatile. I don't really like Tilray actually. The market cap of the stock is $4.4 billion. All right, for a company that actually loses $30 million every quarter. All right, it sells in $25 million sort of, but it still loses $30 million after that in every quarter. It means about $120 million losses in a year. This kind of company can't have a market cap of $4.4 billion, because even if the cannabis stock will do whatever they say and it's gonna be a revolutionary, it can happen. Everything can happen, but the chances are very low. and they just published their last quarter balance sheet and P&L, and you see the losses. And by the way, sorry that I'm always looked down, because I wrote myself some points, so I can give you all of it. So the company actually, they have developed an agreement with Novartis and Buch, but they signed it. But it's not, these kind of companies are not really special companies, not companies with any future that can change the world. So I believe the Tilray, it's still too expensive. For now, maybe it's not gonna go down a lot, but also it's not gonna come back here. I don't believe in that. So this is our first stock for the next year, Tilray. I'm not recommending, but you can watch it. Next company is Aurora. Aurora stock. Actually, the one that I like. Aurora, it's the best company in the cannabis industry. It doesn't mean that it's gonna be the biggest with the highest market share in the cannabis industry, but I believe that they manage it right. They have good farm. They even saw some profit in a few quarters ago. They saw some small profit, even though that is in this quarter, they still they again they show losses on the P&L. They still sell in $65 million, and their market cap is $8.2 billion. I believe that this company has the best potential. They just bought VAPS, and they just start to develop vapes and gummies. Okay, vapes, it's like vaporized, and the gummies for cannabis, and they just gonna distribute it, and they're believing that the potential is over there. So this is why Aurora, I believe that their strategy is in the right place, because they have a strategy, by the way, like not like Tilray, that still believe that they're gonna do something with the German company, but they're not sure, and the agreement is it's blur. We have Aurora that know what they're gonna do, what they believe in it. So this is the company that I like. Even though the market cap there, the market share is only second or third, it depends on which day you check it, on which site. And the last one is Canopy. All right, Canopy is the biggest company in the world of cannabis. Their market cap is $15.5 billion. They have a great market share. I think it's almost 30% market share, the biggest in the industry. And they have an agreement with Martha Stewart that they're gonna cooperate together and sell food for animals based on cannabis. I think it's revolutionary. I think it's amazing. I'm not sure it's not a gimmick. It can make them some money. I believe that they think right because of that. Because cooperate with special VIP and use it for not for people like everyone do and going to the animals. I think it's special, and I think they know what they're doing. Their income is almost $90 million in a quarter. I believe that they're experts. They have high growth in Germany, by the way, also, and they bought Acreage Holdings. And they have Canopy already bought Acreage Holdings. With this company have license to sell, I think, in 20 countries in the world. That's amazing. That's the right decision. So they're doing great MMA, great distribution with special people and VIPs, and they think out of the box with animals. They're a bit big. The company is a bit big, so I'm not sure it's gonna rise like Aurora. Like I believe in Aurora, but this is a great company. So we talked about Aurora, Tilray, and Canopy. As I said, Tilray, I think it's more like a bubble. It already did this company already had the biggest jump in the stock, and it's not gonna come back. Not with these losses, not that with that they don't have really strategy about how to do it. We can watch Aurora. Aurora, this is the company that I believe it's the best. It's a kind of mid cap in the industry of cannabis, so this is why I think they can jump higher than all the others. And we have Canopy. Canopy, it's already grown. They have where to grow, and they do it right. So if you choose to buy Canopy, it's also a smart idea. Um, that's it for now. Okay, I I don't recommend on any one of them. I by myself I already bought Aurora. I believe that Canopy is also a good company, but it's not a recommendation, so don't go and buy or something. But we're gonna look at these companies for the next year, maybe 2 years. We'll see how it goes, and we'll see if my thoughts were right. Okay, so I am Noam Adar from the Traders. Please subscribe to our channel. By the way, if you want to join our group, you can send me an email and join to a conversation with me and Or of 1 hour, and we can explain you about the capital market, how you can make money of it. And if you like it, you can join our team and start trade with us. And you can go to financial freedom just by one decision. Start by sending us an email or comment, and we'll go on from there. So please subscribe, comment, like, and in touch.